If you're looking for a beautiful modern home located in North Phoenix, this is going to be the home for you. But before we go inside, I want to fill you in on the area. We are located right between two beautiful mountain preserves. To my right and north, we have Lookout Mountain, and then south of us, we have North Mountain. So if you're looking to do some wonderful hiking when you come here to Arizona or be within this area, and this is going to definitely be the home for you. They have wonderful hiking trails, and if you like to mountain bike, if you like to really get outdoors, this is definitely going to be a wonderful location because you're literally within 5 minutes to both of these mountains. If you're looking for wonderful school systems, this is definitely going to be a wonderful location for you. In fact, we just have an elementary school just on the other side of us. So if you want the ability to walk your child to school and live in a beautiful home, this is going to be the home and the property that you definitely want to consider. Enough about the area. Follow me inside so we can tell you exactly everything this home has to offer. Come on. Alrighty guys, welcome to the interior of the home. Again, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bath with 2 master suites, okay? And we have 2,400 square feet. Before we give you the rest of the tour of the house, I want to make sure that you guys get a really good look at this kitchen. This kitchen is the definite selling point of this home. As you can see here, we have 10-foot ceilings. One of the thing I really love about not only is this kitchen is this massive island that we have here. If you love the communal space and you really want to make sure this is a good, fun environment for you and the entire family, or when you like to entertain, this is definitely going to be the kitchen for you. We're greeted right into here within the living room. Living room has direct access out here to the backyard. And like I said before, we are on 1/3 of an acre. So if you're looking to really put in your dream pool, your dream backyard, this lot is going to give you everything that you need and more. I know some people within the area have actually put casitas out there or ADUs on top of that beautiful oasis. And it's just giving you a bunch of options, a bunch of opportunity to really design it by just like yourself. And here we have our wonderful living room, tons of good space here. If you want to put a larger dining table and you want to seat 6 and you want to seat 8 people here, this is definitely going to be a nice, wonderful communal space for you as well. I do love this exposed cinder block wall here. It really does give a wonderful element to the actual overall design as far as that modern feel we're really looking for. But follow me on this way. Down this hallway, you will be greeted into the laundry room. It is right off of the garage. And like we said before, it is an oversized 2-car garage. So coming here, you have your laundry room. If you want to sit down your keys, what I really love is that we do have some additional cabinetry in here. So you can get some additional storage, whether it's for your linens, your towels, or even just things that you have outside. You have overflow from the garage. But when you actually come into the home, you're going to be walking into the entrance. You come over here to your living room and kitchen. But this is going to be your master bedroom. We do have a split floor plan, and this bedroom does give you some really wonderful size and options to do as well. Here we have our master bed. We do have access to the exterior here with just a sliding door, which is really nice and really wonderful. It does allow some beautiful natural light to come in. One of my favorite parts about this property is actually the master bathroom. Come and take a look and I'll show you in here. As you can see, this is a beautiful, wonderful master bathroom. We do have a standalone tub. I do love the beautiful finish with the tile that just goes up the wall here. And this massive walk-in shower, absolutely stunning. This is definitely a large walk-in shower for the individuals that either like to have the option for a tub or actually have the option for a shower. We do have the floating double vanity with double sinks here as well. And then here we do have a very good size walk-in closet. Goes all the way down here, probably got a good 15 feet. You have some additional storage, whether you have been doing it for shoes or for your winter clothes. That really works out for individuals that, like myself, have a larger wardrobe. But follow me here, I'm gonna take you to the other side of the house. Again, like I said, we do have 4 bedrooms. Here you're gonna have guest bedroom 1 on this side. And then on here, you're gonna have guest bedroom 2. Wonderful size here. If you're looking to do it with your kids, or if you wanna make sure that's like an exercise room, maybe even an office. And then here you'll have your guest bathroom as well. Great size. You do have the shower and tub combo. This is really wonderful, especially making sure you have maintained the split floor plan. But like I said before, we do have 2 master suites. So now I want you to follow me down to this hallway and we're gonna show you the other master bedroom. As we enter into the other side of the home, here we do have our second master suite. It's a very good size. As you can see, we do have an additional lateral light coming in from the exterior slider door. But follow me in here. We have a beautiful walk-in shower here. I really do love the gloss gray that they did have on the shower back here as well. We do have another floating vanity. And there's also an exterior door here if you're wanting to go outside into the backyard, which is a nice feature to have. We have our toilet room here, and then another beautiful walk-in closet that we do have here. Wonderful space, plenty of room for your shoes, your clothes, all your wardrobe. And this is definitely going to be a nice feature if you're looking to have 2 master suites. Now follow me on to the exterior. I want to show you the backyard. Everybody, welcome to the exterior of the home. This is one of my favorite parts and one of my favorite features. Not only do you have this beautiful covered patio here as well, like I said, you're on a 1/3 of an acre, so if you're looking to really design your custom backyard and have your beautiful oasis, as you can see, this property is definitely going to give you everything that you need and more to really design your oasis back here and located in North Phoenix. Again, we are 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2 master suites, and we're located between 2 mountain preserves, so this is definitely going to be the perfect home for the individual that's wanting the mountain views and also wanting that modern contemporary look, and also with the options to have a beautiful backyard. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. My information will be on the description below. You can also reach out to me directly at info@joshzuniga.com. Again, info@joshzuniga.com. If you need any additional help or if you have any additional questions on this property, make sure to reach out. Talk to you soon, guys.